Hello everybody, myself Jyoti Mayekar and this is part 11 of Legends of the Physics World. If you drop a stone into a pond, it produces a circular expanding ripple. Why does it expand? His principle is a tool for working out how waves flow by imagining that every point on wavefront is a new ripple source. Yes, we are talking about Christiaan Huygens. So he was a son of a Dutch diplomat. He belonged to an aristocratic family and he collaborated with scientists, philosophers across Europe, including Newton, Hooke, and Descartes. His publications were on mathematical problems, but he also studied Saturn. He was a practical scientist who patented first pendulum clock. He tried to devise nautical clock which can be taken to sea and with the help of which we can measure longitude. Now, what is Huygens' principle? The idea that every point on a wavefront acts like a new source of wave energy with matching frequency and phase is called as Huygens' principle. Now, how the progress of the waves can be mapped? Huygens' principle can be applied again and again as it encounters obstacles and crosses the paths of the other waves. Now, if you draw the position of the wavefront on a piece of paper, then the subsequent positions can be described by using a pairs of compasses to draw circles at many points along the wavefront and drawing a smooth line through their outer edges to plot the next wave position. It will be something like this. So this is what Huygens' principle is. Huygens discovered Saturn rings. So he was the first to demonstrate that the planet was girdled by a flattened disk rather than flanked by extra moons or a changing equatorial bulge. He deduced that the same physics that explained the orbits of moons, Newton's gravity would apply to many smaller bodies that would orbit in a ring too. He discovered Saturn's largest moon, Titan, in 1655. Exactly 350 years later, a spaceship called Cassini reached Saturn, carrying with it a small capsule named after Huygens, which descended through the clouds of Titan's atmosphere to land on its surface of frozen methane. Believe your ears, Huygens' principle also explains why if you shout to someone in the another room, they hear your voice as if you are standing in the doorway rather than elsewhere in the adjacent room. According to Huygens, when the waves arrived at the doorway, a new set of points like sources of wave energy is created there. So all the listening person knows that these waves were generated at the doorway. The past history of the waves in the other room, it is lost. He said, I do not think that we know anything for certain, but everything probably. Thank you so much. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.